Only a small number of old yellow Caterpillar 450F backhoe loaders are still worth bringing back to life. Secure the load before anything else. Gentle transport prevents additional hidden damage. Batch received, the restoration journey begins. Critical reinforcement zones, rear stabilizers, boom, and hydraulic assemblies. Internal transport must stay smooth and shock-free.
Electrical diagnostics decide whether controllers can be saved.
The lines are secure on this side. Go ahead and start the sequence.
Copy that. Bringing up the pressure now. Frame, hydraulics, then engine and electronics. Those are our priorities.
Okay.
We start by safely removing stored energy from the Caterpillar 450F. The cabin will return looking original, but it must come apart first. Every connector in this Caterpillar 450F must be documented for perfect reassembly. Major components from the Caterpillar 450F travel on this wide belt through a camera-based classification system.
Fully reusable parts from the Caterpillar 450F backhoe loader are stored in dedicated shelves, each tray scanned and registered under the machine's project code.
Teardown progress on this Caterpillar 450F is exactly on schedule. Deep cleaning and decontamination turn Caterpillar 450F components into factory-grade surfaces again. Rust must be removed precisely without hurting the Caterpillar 450F's metal. Neutralizing the surface chemistry locks in long-lasting paint on this Caterpillar 450F.
Frame reinforcement and back coat upholster receive
Primer is the foundation for the Caterpillar 450F's final finish. High-precision machining gives this Caterpillar 450F new, stronger bones. Material strength must match or exceed the Caterpillar 450F's original spec.
Old Caterpillar 450F backhoe loader cylinders are resealed with new pistons and seals, threads recut, and rods polished before pressure testing.
Gear mesh on this Caterpillar 450F must be absolutely precise. Color must match the Caterpillar 450F's original factory yellow. Testing parts before installation saves us from tearing this Caterpillar 450F down twice. All replacement parts for this Caterpillar 450F now meet quality specs. Time to reassemble. Reassembly turns bare Caterpillar 450F steel back into a working machine. Hydraulics are the muscles of this Caterpillar 450F. Fuel delivery must be leak-free before first real startup. The Caterpillar 450F's heart beats again, under close supervision. Road tests verify how this Caterpillar 450F actually behaves under load. Noise and vibration levels must stay within safe comfort limits.
Braking performance is non-negotiable on this Caterpillar 450F.
We're flashing the latest firmware and running a full sensor calibration on the 450F. The diagnostics confirm a clean fault log across all systems.
Load testing proves this Caterpillar 450F is ready for real-world stress.
Safety equipment and restraint check station. Seat belts, tie-down points, and safety lockouts on the Caterpillar 450F.
Quality control is complete. This Caterpillar 450F passes every test. Now we refine the Caterpillar 450F's appearance to showroom quality. A final polish and protective coat preserve this Caterpillar 450F's finish for years. From scrapyard to spotlight, this Caterpillar 450F has been reborn. The Caterpillar 450F must be spotless at handover.
Packing and transport protection zone. Sensitive areas of the Caterpillar 450F backhoe loader are warranty, documents, and service history. Travel with the Caterpillar 450F.
Ultra Factory hands over the Caterpillar 450F, ready for a new working life.
This Caterpillar 450F case becomes a reference for future restorations.
From scrapyard to rebirth, a perfectly restored Caterpillar 450F backhoe loader leaves Ultra Factory.